Hey beautiful people, welcome to another video right here on Draw Too Much. It's time to look at a little bit more at drawing mouths. I'm telling you, it's one of the most beautiful parts of the face and sometimes one of the craziest parts of the face, depending on what kind of teeth you got. And teeth are a very important thing in that smile. If you want to have a beautiful smile, keep those teeth cleaned. Brush often. Yeah, sorry, I'm not a dentist and I'm not going to hold that over your head. But hey, I tell you what, I've been to the dentist a lot. It helps if you brush your teeth. Yeah, found that out the hard way. Okay, so here's what we got. We're going to talk a little bit more about drawing mouths today, folks. We got a lot of different little details to cover here. Today we're going to talk about the idea of focusing on drawing gums. Believe me, gums play an incredibly important part of caricature. What? Gums? Yes, gums. But don't they hide behind the lips? They do and they don't. And when they don't, you need to draw them. And that's what we're going to talk about here. Hey, Siri. Set a timer for 5 minutes, please.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Let's do this tutorial. Alright guys, here's what we got. We got different kinds of teeth going on here with different gum sizes. That plays a very key role. Let's start by drawing a couple of the exact same smile here, okay? Now I do this smile just because it's quick and easy and painless to show you guys these details. I'm going to go ahead and draw the bottom teeth in as well. Okay? And this is just to get that very basic form going on here of what we need. Okay, and I'm just, you know what I'm going to do real quick here since my time is low. I'm just going to go ahead and grab that layer and duplicate it real quick. That way it'll just make it a lot easier to work with these individual teeth and show you the dangers that you may fall into as you're drawing different kinds of people. Alright, here's what we got. Two mouths. That's obvious. Let's go ahead and take a look at the idea of gums. Gums are not just a piece of rubber going across your mouth. There is bumps and crevices and grooves and all kinds of crazy things, and that's important stuff to keep an eye on. Here's the two kinds of gums you will probably see. You will find gums that are hidden behind the front lip. Okay? You'll also find gums that are hidden not at all. They'll be right out in front, and you'll see small teeth and big gums. Let's take a look at how to do that with this little bit of time that we have. It's really, really, really simple, but very important. Here we go. You simply do these fun little V's along the top of the mouth here, just like this. And you can see a form of teeth, and you can even draw in a little bit of the form of the teeth here if you think that's important. But if you choose to do this, make sure you get their teeth accurate. I got some sharp teeth here. I got flat teeth. I got teeth going different angles. If you're going to decide to go this detailed, try and mimic their teeth as best you can. Maybe you see that they got one sharp tooth. Try and focus in on getting that sharp tooth drawn in there, you know? Whatever it takes to get that likeness in there. Have some fun with it. Teeth are a wonderful thing to draw, but it's very key. Bottom teeth. Yes, they even have the gums that stick out. And don't forget, there's a lot more bottom teeth than there are top teeth. For my two front teeth there's almost 4 bottom teeth. So make sure that you go ahead and really go crazy with those bottom teeth. Now, the more lines you start drawing in the mouth, the more it's going to start to look dirty. So keep those lines as minimum as possible. The more, if I start drawing these lines in, locking them together like this here, just like this, the smile is going to start becoming dirty because you're introducing black into the teeth as you're doing this, and it starts to look a little like a person forgot to brush her teeth, obviously. Let's talk about the idea of the other gums. What if the gums are really low? Maybe they got a humongous smile and you're seeing all gums as you're going there. Well, then go ahead and do that. Focus in on where those gums start coming across, and then start drawing where those teeth are, and just make little arches here just along where the teeth are supposed to be, just like this. And then go ahead and start drawing in your teeth, or don't draw on the teeth at all. Just focus on getting where those gums are. So this is like a person with a heavy, big gum and little tiny front teeth, you know, so focus on that. Same thing with the bottom teeth. Sometimes those gums can show. Usually they'll show much more on the top side of the mouth than on the bottom. When that happens, just focus on getting those gums right. That is going to be a very key thing for likeness. If they don't like their gums, draw them with their mouth closed. That's totally possible. You can do it. You can take care of someone's insecurities. Your job is not to draw what makes them insecure. Your job is to draw something that makes them happy and gorgeous. What is the beauty that they see in themselves? Focus on that. When you focus on that, you're going to get a caricature that they're going to love, and you're going to make money on it. And that's a wonderful thing. We're caricature artists. We don't always make a lot of money in caricature, and so the best thing you can do make someone happy, give something beautiful that they will love to hang up on their wall for years to come. And the way to do that is to focus on getting it right. The likeness, the essence, all of those little details are really going to play that key factor. Keeping an eye on my timer here, and it's completely disappeared. We got a minute left. Well, guys, this is the key thing. I want you to go and practice. Keep an eye out for people with different kinds of gums. I'm telling you, when you learn some of these techniques, you're going to find that personality is going to show to you much more often when you're out walking among people, seeing those people, seeing that big smile. Suddenly you see all the gums or you see no gums. You're going to start seeing areas of caricature and exaggeration and fun, and it just makes things really interesting. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you've enjoyed these quick little 5-minute videos. Subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget, hit that bell button so that you can see when new videos come out every Tuesday and Friday. Make sure you keep an eye out. By the way, check out my other channel, Legacy Studio, where we put out videos every Monday and Thursday on tech and all kinds of crazy stuff. Man, I'm a busy boy. We love you guys. We'll see you next time right here on another Draw Too Much sketch lesson. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time.